your shirt.
Do you want to check this on?
Yeah.
Okay, when you will come at my house, and then I will buy another new one, just same like this, and then I will give
Okay.
it. But I want a t-shirt that you use basically in daily life.
Oh, I'm making coffee real quick. It's been such a terrible day for me. It really has.
Yeah, I understood when I got your message through the inbox that you are at the court, and I was really quite disappointed what's really happening with her life. And then when you said that I had to go in the rehabilitation, so and then I thought maybe something happened with the person. What exactly happened and what's going on the verdict?
He went to rehab. He's a severe alcoholic. He's drinking so much, he's starting to lose his mind. And he keeps getting in trouble with the law. So we were just up there, seeing how it would turn out. That's all.
Okay, so forget that. Now you will have to think the new future, a new certain life. Now you are rearranging your life with the new vibes. I hope our dreams will come true anyway.
Thank you, Gazi.
Alright. Look, unless I just got you here in this platform right now, I think I wouldn't have really good sleep. That because you were at the hospital, I was really so worried, and I was counting down the time when my friend will come up here.
I tried to go to bed early, but I just couldn't sleep well.
Oh, for what? The same reason?
I just had a lot of anxiety about this morning.
Yeah, I got you. Now, what about your mentality? Are you okay? And would you have a good day?
I'm very overwhelmed. It's very overwhelming, and it's very sad. It's a very sad situation to watch somebody,
Yeah, I got you.
destroy their life.
So, life is being really constrained with some silly things, really awful, some things to think about it.
Life, I don't know, life is very hard sometimes, and I think the only thing you can do is just keep trying.
Alright. So, you know what, dear friend, I think we need to get rid of all kind of shit from our head, and we need to get into our dreams as well as soon as possible, and we need to work hard. We need to work hard through our journey. And by the way, we need to pass our time most of the time as well, so otherwise we are getting really backlash, if I can't really work out precisely.
True.
Yeah.
Very true.
All right, but my dear friend Winona, I think you should change your content, that because most of the people doesn't really watch this kind of content as well. I think you need to choose a content which is very most viewed across the globe as well.
What were you thinking? I know I need to change my content. Really, I was posting, which those topics are very important to me, but I more or less understand that I can't just keep saying that I'm going to create content. I know I have to create content, which is more or less why I just put things out, because they needed to be.
Yeah,
I needed to start somewhere.
Yeah,
But I do need to figure out what kind of content I'm going to be making consistently. I agree.
yeah, okay. But look, dear, at the beginning level, it could be like confusing thing to create the content and to keep consistency, because it's really harder things to move on to the upper level. It happened actually in my life when I started as a beginner, and I was really so confused. Would I ever get the successful? Would I ever really get the money from this platform as well? Oh no, I think I wouldn't really be succeeded in my life, and I was about to get off this kind of journey, but alhamdulillah, I got really succeeded anyway because of my hard determination and consistency.
Thank you, Gazi. I needed to hear that
100%.
because my biggest issue is the fact that I'm struggling so much finding my niche.
Yeah, but
I'm struggling.
all right, I know you would be succeeded anyway, because you have a vision and you have a really hard determination to get really dream, and even behind of your dream, I'm always around of you to help anyway, in every single step you will find your Gazi as well inside of your dream.